Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is integration. So please check these integrations 0 to 1 x ln x plus 1 x square plus 1. So friends, when we want to solve this kind of problem, we need partial fractions. Okay, so how can I I fraction is because x divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 can be breaked this way. Number one, you have to write this way that half, okay, x divided by x square plus 1. Okay, okay, so you can write this way that, okay, no problem, it is this way because a by b form. Okay, otherwise you can write in way, this way, x plus 1 whole square minus x square plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so you can write this way that by 2 because x square plus 1 x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x, and 2x, this total gives 2x and 2 cut, then it is x divided by this. So it can be written as x into x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 2. So x plus 1, so this way I can write, okay, by 2. Okay, so I can write this way. So I hope you can understand that my partial fraction. So 0 to 1 half x into ln x divided by x square plus 1 plus, okay, this is the, I just mark it, this is this way I can write, into half into 0 to, I write it is I, half into 0 to 1 ln x divided by x square plus 1 into dx into half 0 to 1 dx divided by x plus 1. Okay, and ln x is multiplied. Okay, ln x into x plus 1. So how can I solve this kind of problem? You need to remember that ln x divided by x square plus 1 is equal to g. How? Then I will discuss. At first I solve this kind of problem. Ln x, so it can be written as x into ln x means x square takes it for this. I can write this is so x is equal to, in here x is equal to, okay, t is equal to x square I can write. So in this, for this problem, so I can write this way. So it is 1 by 8 0 to 1 ln x divided by x plus 1. Okay, and minus plus dx plus half into 0 to 1 ln x divided by x square plus 1 dx, and half into minus half into 0 to 1 ln x divided by x plus 1 So just calculating these two portion, so I can write this is half into 0 to 1 ln x divided by x square plus 1 dx, and 1 by 8 and minus half. Okay, 1 by 8 and minus half, 1 by 2 minus, and 4 minus 1, so it is minus 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 0 to 1 ln x. Okay, dx is multiplied in here into x plus 1 into dx. Very simple, friends. I hope then it is clear. Now this value is equals to, g means Catalan constant, so it is minus g. This value is equal to minus g, so it is minus g divided by 2, and this value is equal to minus eta 2, so it is minus 3 by 8 into minus eta 2. So how can I get? I get minus g by 2 minus minus plus 3 by 8 into eta 2. So what is the value of eta 2? Eta 2 means pi square by 12, Dirichlet eta functions. Okay, Dirichlet. So minus g by 2 plus 3 by 8 into pi square by 32. Okay, pi square by 32, sorry, pi square by 12. Okay, so it is cut, so it is 4, so it is minus g by 2 plus pi square by 32. Okay, this is my answer. Now the questions is that I will show note point. Integration 0 to 1 ln x divided by x square, 0 to 1 minus summation k equals to 1 to 0, k equals to 0, k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power. Okay, this formula is, I just break. Okay, so minus 1 to the power k, okay, minus 1 to the power k, x to the power k ln x dx. Okay, so x to the power k dx, when it is x to the power k dx, that means it is summation k equals to 0 to infinity Catalan constant. Okay, Catalan constant. What is the Catalan constant? What is the Catalan constant formula? Okay, Dirichlet Catalan constant formula. So it can be written as, okay, it can be written as okay, x to the power k means 2k, sorry, it is 2k, so 1 minus 1 to the power k. Okay, I can write this minus 1 to the power k, and this is the 2k plus 1 whole square. Okay, 2k plus 1 whole square, this is the formula. Okay, now the question is that how can I understand that it is the formula? This formula is very simple. This is the beta 2 formula. This is means G. Okay, G, it can be written Catalan constant this way. So my question is that my expansion is correct. 1 divided by 1 plus x expansions. Okay, in the expansions form. So how can I write this formula? This formula is very common formula, that one Taylor series. Okay, Taylor series of the 1 divided by 1 plus x. Now this formula I just, okay, this formula is minus 1 to the power, minus 1 to the power n, okay, x to the power n. Okay, so I hope it is clear, because the Taylor formula I use in here. Where is that? Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus x, k equals to 1, k equals to k equals to 0 to k equals to 0 to, okay, another is in here, minus is multiplied in here, minus g. How? Because for ln x, okay, it is minus g. K equals to 0 to infinity. Okay, k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power 1 to the power k x to the power k. This is the formula. This formula I must remember, 0 to 1 x to the power 2k ln x, ln x is equal to ln x dx is equal to dt k, means derivative 1 by 2k plus 1, 1, so it is minus 1 by 2k plus 1 whole square. Okay, same formula I apply in here. So next is 0 to 1, note 0 to 1 ln x divided by 1 plus x dx is equal to summation k equals to 0 to infinity integration 0 to 1 x to the power k minus 1 to the power k ln x dx, and this formula is summation k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k divided by k plus squared. Okay, this is the minus is multiply, so this is minus eta 2. I hope it is clear. Watching, please review, please view everything. Now I just changing the size. Okay, so please check my whole work. Okay, hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.